Hi, I'm Marna. So a few of you don't remember some of the earlier videos where I was talking about quantum mechanics and how energy works. So let's go back and revisit that. The entire world is made up of energy. Everything that you see around you, everything that looks solid, isn't. It is all vibrating at a specific rate. Everything. And that could be the wind that is currently blowing my hair around and making me look like a mess, down to the rock that I am sitting on. Everything has a vibrational rate. And there was a gentleman working out of University of Washington several years back, back in the 90s, who developed a machine that could measure this vibrational rate. Bruce Tyno is his name. And he started measuring vibrations. And he measured vibrations of all sorts of things. He measured vibrations of solid objects. He measured vibrations of people. He measured vibrations of thought patterns. He measured vibrations of food. Everything has a vibrational frequency. And what he found is that the higher your personal vibrational frequency, the higher the speed that your body vibrates, the higher the speed your mind vibrates at, because those are two very different things. The more in tune you are with the world around you and the energy fields around you. So that is, if you've ever wondered where all this talk about vibration comes from, that's the root of a lot of it in the current discussions. The actual physically measured vibrational frequencies. Not only of our bodies, not only of our minds, but of the food we eat, the water we drink. You can change the vibration of your water. You can charge it with your thoughts and have it be more beneficial for you by simply changing the vibrational level. Being aware of the vibrational level of the food that you take in will affect the vibrational level of your body. So as you move higher in your own vibrational journey, as you move out of living in anger and fear and hate and, as you move out of that and move into the higher vibrations of living in the energy of love and peace and acceptance. And let me tell you, acceptance is just a midpoint. It goes so much higher. As you move into those higher vibrations, certain foods will appeal to you more because they are more vibrationally aligned with what you're moving into. If you've ever gone out to what my friends and I used to call a meat faucet restaurant, the Brazilian steakhouses where they will just bring meat after meat after meat after meat to your table, and you sit there and you stuff yourself. And then afterwards, you feel heavy. You feel weighed down. You talk about the meat baby that's in your tummy. The reason you're feeling that is because of the vibrational level of the amount of food you just took in. We talk about eating light when we talk about going out for salads. And oh no, my thingy is falling over. Let's see if that'll hold. There we go. But we talk about eating light. That's true. Higher vibrational foods make you feel lighter. Higher vibrational foods make you more receptive to taking in sunlight. So eating light is not just, what we want our weight to do. It's what our vibration does as well. So why am I going into all this? Because once you understand your vibrations, you can start looking at how to control them. Once you understand that your mind is a vibrational field, you can start seeing how controlling your thoughts controls the vibrational level that your mind operates at. So, let's say you want to have an effect on another object. The first thing you have to realize is that other object you're trying to affect is energetic vibration, just like you are. The second thing you realize is that one of the basic laws of energy is that energy affects energy. The sun coming down is hitting the rock that I am sitting on and warming it. Light, vibrational, energetic particles are making the vibrational particles of solid stone speed up so it feels warmer. Think about that for a minute. How an incredible a thing is that? But it shows the proof of concept. The energetic particles affect the physical vibrational particles around us. Energy affects energy, and it does not matter what the source of that energy is. Therefore, if you can control your energy that you put out, then you can determine what effect it will have on the energy around you. If you can control your thoughts to summon in the wind, even if it is knocking the camera over. If you can control your thoughts to summon in the wind and the leaves, it will come. If you can control your thoughts to pull out more sunshine, it will come, because energy affects energy. And the more control you have over your thoughts, the more control you have over the energetic field that you create and you control, the more control you have over the field around you. So let's say you want to have something happen that's at a distance. I mean, I think everyone who has ever played with spellcraft, ever, has at some point in time tried to do a love spell on someone who's not responding to us the way we wanted. That's what motivates so many of us to do these things. So, what is it that works at a distance? Well, this is where we get into the really fun stuff. This is where you get into quantum physics and what Einstein called spooky action at a distance. Let's say you have energetic particles that are linked. They are connected. Now, there is nothing that breaks this connection on the energetic level, not even separating the particles. And it doesn't matter how far you separate the particles by. When two quantum particles have been energetically linked, that energetic link remains. To give you an idea what I mean by distance does not matter, there is currently an experiment going on where one set of particles is based at UC Irvine in California, and the other set of particles is in the International Space Station. Distance does not matter. Using the particles on Earth, we can send instant messages to the particles in space. Because you see, what you do to one set of particles will prompt a response in the energetically linked